Good morning, dear students. Today in this video we will discuss the further properties of whole numbers. Yesterday we discussed the closure property, commutative property and the associative property. Now today we will discuss the distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. Now in the distributive property I am taking three numbers if A, B and C are three whole numbers. So how many numbers I have taken? 3. A, B and C. Three whole numbers I have taken. Now see here. A into, in the bracket, B plus C is equal to what? A into B plus A into C. First of all, we have multiplied A and B. See, A into B. A को पहले किससे multiply किया? B से. A into B. उसके बाद B के बाद कौन सा sign है? Plus का. So we have put the sign of plus. Now उसके बाद A का एडिशन, A का मल्टीप्लिकेशन किसके साथ करेंगे? C के साथ. So A into C, A into C. Okay. So first of all we are multiplying A and B and then we are multiplying A and C. Okay. Now this is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Now here I have taken A into in the bracket B minus C. So it is A into B. A into B. After B, which sign? Negative, minus. Then A into C. Then A into in bracket B minus C is equal to what? A into B minus A into C. Now let us understand this property with the help of an example. See here, I have taken three numbers. 5, 6 and 2. Now see here, first of all we will find out the value by this. 5 into in bracket I am taking 6 plus 2. Here the value of A is 5, the value of B is 6 and the value of C is 2. So A into B plus C, so 5 into bracket 6 plus 2. So first of all by the BODMAS rule we will solve bracket. So 5 into 6 plus 2, 8. Then 5 into 8, 40. And now we will solve this side. Now see here, A into B plus A into C. So 5 into 6 plus 5 into 2. So first of all which operation? Multiplication operation we will solve. 5 6 are 30 plus sign, 5 2s are 10. 30 plus 10, 40. That means, so 5 into in bracket 6 plus 2 is equal to 5 into 6 plus 5 into 2. That means this equation is satisfied. Okay? So A into in bracket B plus C is equal to what? A into B plus A into C. And what is this? This is the property of multiplication over addition. And A into in bracket B minus C. Now let me explain you with the help of an example. The distribution property of multiplication over subtraction. 5 into, here I have taken, already I have taken three numbers. Now I am applying now I will subtract. 5 into, I am applying this. We will solve this part. 5 into in bracket 6 minus 2 is equal to, first of all by the BODMAS rule we will solve the bracket. So 5 into 6 minus 2, 4. 5 4s are 20. Then we will solve this part. Now A into B. So 5 into 6 minus A into C, 5 into 2. Multiplication we will solve first of all. 5 into 6 30 minus 5 into 2 10. 30 minus 10 20. दोनों का रिजल्ट कैसा आया? सेम आया. So 5 into bracket 6 minus 2 is equal to 5 into 6 minus 5 into 2. And this is known as what? The distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay. Now the property of 0. If 0 is added to a whole number, then the result is the number itself. अगर हम 0 को किसी भी whole number में add करेंगे तो हमें result क्या मिलेगा? वो number खुद. Now let us understand with the help of an example. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. आपने 0 को 5 में add किया तो हमें result क्या मिला? 5. The number itself. Here 0 is called the additive identity. Okay, remember it. 0 is called the additive identity. If 0 is subtracted from a whole number, then the result is the number itself. If you are subtracting 0 from a whole number, then also the result is the number itself. See here, 0 को 5 में से subtract करें तो result क्या मिल रहा है हमें? वो number खुद, that is 5. Now, if 0 is multiplied by any number, the product is 0. अगर हम 0 को किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमेशा प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा 0. सी हियर 5 into 0 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 0. 9 into 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. 0 को आप किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो रिजल्ट 0 आएगा. Here 0 is called the multiplicative identity. In the case of multiplication, 0 is called the multiplicative identity, and in the case of addition, 0 is called the additive identity. Now, if 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. अगर 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्वोशंट क्या मिलेगा 0. See here 0 is divided by a number that is 5. So what is the result? 0. You can write like this also. 0 upon 5 is equal to what? 0. 0 upon 9 is equal to what? 0. Here we are dividing 0 by any number, then the quotient what we will get? 0. Now division of a whole number by 0. जब आप किसी भी whole number को 0 से divide करोगे, what you will get the result? Not defined. Here see 5 upon 0 is not defined. आप इस result को define नहीं कर सकते हैं. 9 upon 0 is not defined. Now exercise 3.2. So first of all, recall all the properties. You should be aware of all the properties. Then only you will able to solve the exercise. Now the first property was a closure property. Second was a commutative property. And the third was the associative property. Fourth was a distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction, and then the property of 0. Now see here, the question number 1 is write true or false. The A part is 345 plus 231 is equal to 231 plus 345. Now see here, this is what? This is the commutative property of addition. A plus B is equal to B plus A. जब भी आप two whole numbers को add करोगे, then irrespective of their order, अगर आप उनका order change भी कर दोगे तो उसका result कैसा रहेगा? Same रहेगा. So this is true. Now the B part is 5679 plus 0 is equal to 5679. Now whenever you will add 0 to any number, the result will be the number itself. जब आप 0 को किसी भी whole number में add करोगे तो result क्या मिलेगा? वो whole number खुद. So the B part is also true. Now C is 2346 into 567 is equal to 567 into 2346. Again, this is the commutative property of multiplication. Whenever you will multiply two numbers and irrespective of their order, the result will be same. जब भी आप टू नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो भले ही आप उनका ऑर्डर चेंज कर दो बट उनका रिजल्ट कैसा रहेगा? सेम रहेगा. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. नाउ डी 562 divided by 56 is equal to 56 divided by 562. Now see here, I told you that this is the commutative property is not applicable for subtraction and division. So that is why this part is false. जब आप दो numbers को divide करोगे और अगर आप उनका order change करते हो तो उनके result में भी difference आ जाएगा. Okay, so that is why this is